Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Codeline. Today we are going to discuss about input and output data, how to read it, how to write it, and what is the format for it. And also today we are going to discuss about getchar and putchar. Reading input data. Input data can be entered using keyboard. Scanf library function is used in C for input data. We can enter any character, string or numeric value. Here I have used marks as a variable and scanf D is used to enter data in marks. How to write output data? We can write using library function called printf, which accept all the values like numeric, character or string. Here in an example, I have asked user for her age using printf function and scanf function. Format for input integer. Percentage %WD. D is the character for integer value and W is the width of input data. When the length of input data is maximum more than the width of the value, then it is not stored. For example, here when we enter elements in A, then it should be of 2 length, and in B it should be of 3. If they exceed more than 2 or 3, then they will not be stored and error will be found. And similarly, we can directly print a value for it using printf function. For float numbers, we use F instead of D and all the things remain same. For numeric character, we use .nf instead of just F. Here we can also give the width of the number which has to come after point. Here I have given 4.1 F, which means we can only enter 4 the length integer before point, and after point only one length integer can be entered in X, and similarly in Y we can enter up to 2 length integer in after point. Getchar and putchar. Getchar and putchar are used for characters for input and output. Getchar reads the data and putchar returns the data. Here we have asked user for a character and it is getting stored in A. Then we are returning using putchar, and here we have entered B as the character. Input we have given is B, and then we return B because putchar returns the value and getchar reads the value which is stored in A. Here in example. Here are some exercise for practice. You can pause the video and do it. I have also added solution at the end of the video. In this question, we are asking user character and then we are returning its value in integer form. And in this question, we have three cases. In first, we are returning direct value. In second, we are returning up to 2 points length integer. And in third, we are returning 3 points integer. See, here are the result. And thank you for watching.